Welcome to VIP Quantum Tech. If you are new here, please subscribe and turn on notifications so that you don't miss new videos.
Scenes like this are unavoidable in everyday life. While some stuff is easy to wipe away, the whole scrubbing and cleaning the stuck-up grime thing can really drive you mad. But what choice do we really have? Well, now, there's Skadu, an incredibly powerful scrubber for your everyday cleaning needs. Skadu scrubs dried and stuck-up grime super easily. The stubborn built up on your stove is no match for Skadu. Skadu is multifunctional. The brush attachment deep cleanses all those bottles and glasses up to every last corner. Skadu's copper scrubber attacks burnt food and grime on your grill and in your oven, with you putting in zero effort. The back of this pan hasn't been cleaned in years, and it shows. Let's Skadu it sparkling clean. Spick and span in 30 seconds. Skadu is light, so you can hold it comfortably. The scratch-free pads are perfect for delicate surfaces. Scrub greasy glass oven doors with absolute peace of mind. Let's test Skadu with a burnt pan. Here we go, almost done. Have you ever scrubbed off burnt food this fast? With Skadu, it's easy. You can keep an extra attachment for your bathroom, or simply keep a separate set of scrubbing pads. Scrub through the gunk built up in your sink, tackle the stains on your shower glass, and banish the difficult-to-remove bathtub grime. In a compact body, we managed to house a high-torque motor so you never lose power scrubbing tough jobs. Our innovative PTD technology distributes the motor's power evenly to 3 scrubbers, while allowing them to rotate in opposite directions. And that powerful opposite rotation is exactly what helps you scrub super fast with zero effort. Skadu's app helps you optimize product use, connects you to an online community, and makes it easy to buy attachments and supplies. Skadu is made keeping the environment in mind, so scrub ahead responsibly. Now let's think outside of the box. Why not Skadu your car, your bicycle, the garden pots, or your used-to-be white sneakers? Whatever stubborn dirt you want to scrub off, Skadu will help you out. It's time to say goodbye to the old way of scrubbing, my friend. From now on, just Skadu it.
Hi, I'm Hanan. My brother Juicer and I created Skadu for one simple reason: to scrub clean in less time without leaning in and touching the grime. We started engineering Skadu back in 2017, and after 100 prototypes, we have our best version yet.
We participated for CES 2020, and this is what the visitors had to say.
Very cool product. Love this.
This is a great product. I would absolutely use this.
I can't wait to use this.
We have developed an incredibly powerful product that works with utmost simplicity.
And now we need your help to bring it to market.
So back us today.
Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss new videos.